Hi, today I'm with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you just have to press with your finger for a while on your screen by this way, and you'll see here the settings icon. Tap here, and right now just tap here to the transitions effect settings, and here you can select one from the animation. For example, I will go in with this one and just here tap to the down and confirm one more time, and as can you see, my home screen transition is changed now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.